Hello you guys, good morning. So ang lamig sa labas kasi mahangin, malakas yung hangin. I'm going to drop my daughter to school and then I'm heading to the grocery store because I'm gonna pick up something for the potluck later tonight. And yeah, I'm gonna do some cooking this morning and I hope we'll be done so quick because I need to go rest because it's been a couple days I did not go sleep the proper time that I need to go sleep because I have to do the balikbayan boxes, the package that I need to send to Philippines, and that's how I spend a lot of time for it. And I'm almost done, and I need to do some more scotch tape to secure the package. And then also, speaking of the package, I have something that I need to go to the UPS because I have to return something for Amazon because only one, supposed to be 2 carton that they need to send to me that I order, and they only sent me 1, so it's really also expensive because like $40. So that's the reason that I need to return. You want some? So right now I'm heading to go to dropping things, dropping the package back to UPS. This one, you guys. Hello you guys, good morning. So dumating ako ng bahay mga that was 4 something in the morning kasi maaga kami kaunti na nakatapos sa trabaho. So pag uwi ko sa bahay, ang bilis ng oras. Then nagluto ako ng bacon, rice at saka later lututuin ko tong chicken. Ito siya you guys kasi papunta kami sa Missouri. So kailangan namin may pagkain kaming dala ni asawa para hindi na kami mag-stop. So ito yung bacon. So I'm gonna run to the grocery store, neighborhood Walmart, bibili ng coffee creamer at saka bread para gawin sandwiches. Anyway, I think that's all I can think right now. Then also bibili ako ng pagkain ni Sophie kasi naubusan na. So you guys, I do not like to go outside right now kasi ang lamig. Pero I have to go run because sabi ng asawa ko, we have to leave the house mga 9 o'clock in the morning. Kasi mga 3 o'clock siya you guys. Ay, mga 3 hours pala ang drive. So anyway, ang lamig dito. Tingnan nyo you guys, yung grass, ano siya, freezing. Yan. So kawawa yung pusa namin kasi nag-ano siya you guys, naghanap ng grass na makain niya, pero look at yung grass you guys, walang green. So puro siya ano pa siya, patay. Hindi siya patay na patay. Babalik yan every spring or summer. So, kawawa yung pusa. And, lagay ko kayo dyan. So, yun lang plano ko this moment. Going to the store and pick up some stuff. Just go down and anyway, it's a little bit loud right now because I just turned the defrost and it's so cold. It's 27 degrees. And also what about you guys? It's freezing, so I need to defrost that first before I go into drive. Ay, Diyos ko guys. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Amoy ko is beacon. Ay, Diyos ko, life here. So okay, I think it's still pa din. So yung trailer, my husband started to attach the trailer to the truck. So that's the one that we needed to pick up the motor. So guys, I put some food for the cat over there. And then this one here close to the door so they can have it later. Anyway, the water is ice. It's so hard. Oh. Oh, there you go. Oh my god. Hey, look at this one, babe. It's ice. Look.
What?
Ice.
No.
That's ice, you guys.